We are at the Women in Motorcycling Exhibition, whatever. This is Dad and Mad on YouTube.
Stay tuned. Check this out. 3, 2, 1, go! Hello, how's it going? We're at the Women in Motorcycling Exhibition at Tutbury Castle. We've just got here, so we're going to go and check out what's going on.
Yeah.
Hey Matt, you might see someone you know on this wall. Let's have a look. Start from the top. Where are you?
Oh, amazing! Wow, that's amazing.
You didn't know you were going to be on there, did you? This is the Women in Motor Gallery, isn't it? With all these special ladies.
Is that you?
So this is the Woman in Moto Gallery, and take a good look, but whiz back and look at this particular person. Who is it? Does it ring a bell? What's that name? Madison Whitaker. My name. I'm on the wall.
We're in the Inspirational Speakers tent.
Yeah.
And next up is Claire Lomas, who Maddie's been very excited to listen to, haven't you, Maddie?
Because she's like paralysed on the bottom half.
But she was the first paralysed female to get her motorcycle race licence, I believe.
Yeah.
So we're going to enjoy that.
Mum's face.
No, we're going to listen to
Look at
that
her
story.
eyes. Cheeky eyes.
I'm going to tell you about my journey over the past kind of 14, 15 years. and some of it does involve motorcycling, but I'm going to take you through the whole lot so you realise how much my life changed. I think most of us have experienced changes in the last 18 months, and what I went through certainly helped me cope with what the changes we've had in having the kids off school, though that's possibly more challenging than a spinal injury, I'm not sure. Anyway, here's a video.
Really cool, isn't it? Look at that. Little motorbike.
I'm happy with that.
I love it.
We are at the Motorcycle Women event.
Yeah.
We just
Me and
watched.
Maddie get it wrong.
We just watched the Claire Lomas talk, and she was a massive inspiration. Amazing,
I love her.
amazing
I like
story.
that.
But we're hungry now, so we're gonna go and grab some food.
Yeah. Ah. He's so cute. Look at this. He's a little dog wearing a little jacket and he's really cute. You can't believe how tiny he is.
You can follow him on Facebook. He's on Facebook. Nacho Bike Dog.
Nacho Bike Dog on Facebook with him about
Not too close. He's so scared. Probably a bit cold as well. He's tiny. Is that his actual full size?
Yeah, he's
yeah, he was really little when we first got him. He's gorgeous. We love him. We love him.
So that
Have a
was
good day.
probably the tiniest dog in the world.
They're so cute.
He's so cute.
We love the dog.
Tiny. So Mum's trying on a jacket and I'm giving out some stickers. Yeah, this is the Ruroc and Enginehawk place. Because they're by the same people, those two companies, would you believe it? Hey, look at that dog, he's really cute, isn't he? Aww. But anyway, so we're at Ruroc and Enginehawk and Mum is trying on a jacket. Say hello, Mum. Hi!
Just think about when you're on the bike.
Yeah. There are some Enginehawk jackets in case any of you guys want to buy them. So there's this nice one here. Can you see it? It's really nice, I think. And then there's all of these too. And we've got the EH for Enginehawk. Moving on to Ruroc, they have got all these cool helmets. They're normal plain black. And I personally like this one. It's like really cool with like it's a skull and it's got all my favourite colours on it. And there's also like this zigzag tracking. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really cool. And then there's like, oh look at that, it's Joker, you know, from Batman. And then there's a actual Batman one, cool, right? So that is the Ruroc helmets. Now moving on to other Enginehawk stuff. Hope you can hear me over all this noise. There is some lovely jackets. Hello, I'm filming. Nice jackets from Enginehawk. It's really nice. Especially, I think, and this is in a really nice place. We're outside, but so it's sofas. It's selectively comfy, you know. Nice. Pillows are a bit wet though. Can you see that? Hello? Pillows are a bit wet though. Can you see that? So yeah, we just arriving and I'm handing out some stickers. Yeah, so that's our little clip. Bye-bye.
Let's have a look at you. Go turn to the side or something. Let's have a look. Wow.
I'm actually wanting to see that. How many? Is that actually really suits you, Maddie?
That's pretty cool, Mad.
See my eyes?
Nah, I
No.
can't see you. You're pulling faces at the moment.
tiny but fierce.
Is that what you would have? One of them visors?
The voice.
Yeah, so now I can see what
Flip it up. Let's have a look.
Hey, that's the goal.
Flip it back up.
Look at my tongue out. Yeah, I like it.
Just trying on the plastic jacket I would go for. It's quite nice. I need a medium for sure.
What size is that?
It's small, very comfortable. I like it. I'd actually wear it as a fashion jacket. I like that. I want to try another one on.
We just checked out the Ruroc Enginehawk stand. What did you reckon, man?
Cool.
Got free drinks.
All around those stones.
I really like the
3 times.
stand.
No, 4.
Really good.
4.
We both tried on a couple jackets.
I'm loving the women.
And now I need to go to the toilet.
And then Maddie needs to go to the toilet.
Tell us what you want in your life. What are you going to write on it?
Oh, is that what it's like? You write what women want, you write what you write what you want.
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
Do you want that?
What are you going to write on there? What do you want in life?
It says, I want 1,000 dogs. 1,000, yes, you heard me. 1,000 dogs, 1,000 cats, maybe Siamese, some Siamese, some black, some, I don't know, tabby maybe, and 3 horses because 1,000 would just be too much horses, you know? So, yeah. I'm about to climb up this beast of a hill and get to the top. Are you ready? Here's some footage. Ugh, can't see Mum and Dad anymore. Doesn't matter. I'll get back. Whew. Good living there. Look in there. It's nice, isn't it? Right, go around here. What? Oh my god, this is amazing, guys. Look at that. Oh, the view here as well. Now let's go down. Hope this isn't as steep as before. Later. Right, guys, last final hurdle. No.
He's just horsing around.
Hey guys. Right.
We're doing outro now, right?
Okay. Yeah. So
Come here then. Get Mummy in as well.
we have just finished. It's past tea time. Haven't had tea. Yeah, it's been great. Got my umbrella.
Got the brolly.
Yeah.
We got some signed books from some amazing
Signed books. 4 signed
women.
books.
Yeah.
One of them was by someone.
Steph, Jack, Zoe, and Elspeth, I believe.
Amazing.
Yeah, we'll have to show those on our Instagram, so check that out. But yeah.
Yeah.
We'll say goodbye.
Bye bye.
Thanks for joining us. See you later.
Man, out of the house, boy.
Ta-ra a bit.
Yeah.